The question says we should solve for x in this equation. We have 5 is equal to 2x minus 5 is equal to x minus 20 equals to 0. How do we find the value of x? So solution. So here we have 5 is equal to 2x minus 5 is equal to x minus 20 equals 0. Okay, so from here, let's make this so have equal exponents. So here we have 5 is to power x, okay, is to power 2, okay, minus 5 is to power x minus 20 equals 0. And we can represent this, okay, with letter of alphabet. Let's say y to be 5 is to power x. So we substitute back y equals 5 is to power x in this equation. So here we have y squared, okay, minus y minus 20 equals 0. Okay, so by the time you open up, we have y squared minus y minus 20 equals 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Okay, so let's use the formula method to handle this. So the quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So when we apply this, we have minus b plus or minus, okay, square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So from this equation, we have 1 as a, okay, we have b to be minus 1, which is the coefficient of y, and we have c to be minus 20. So we fix all these back in this formula here. So applying this formula, we have minus, my b is minus 1. So I have minus 1, okay, which is my b. Okay, so this one is plus or minus. So the square root of my b is minus 1. So I have minus 1 squared minus 4 times the value of my a is 1. We fix it back. The value of my c is minus 20. We fix it back over 2 times, which is 2a, okay, so 2 times 1. So by the time we solve this, we have this as minus plus. Here we have 1 plus or minus the square root of, for this, we have this to be minus 1 times minus 1 because of the square. So here we have minus times minus, that is plus. So by the time we multiply this, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 20, add to the 80, over 2 times 1, I have this to be 2. So when we solve for that, we have 1 plus or minus the square root of, this one is 1 plus 80, okay, over 2. So from here, we have this as 1 plus or minus square root of 81 over 2, which is it. So we have 1 plus or minus the square root of 81 is 9, okay, over 2. So we can have it as 1 plus 9 over 2 or 1 minus 9 over 2. So for 1 plus 9 over 2 is 10 over 2. For 1 minus 9, we have it to be minus 8 over 2. Here we have 5, okay, which is this. When you divide this, here we have minus 4, okay. So from here now, this is the value of y, okay. So let us work with 5, which is the positive side. So coming back here, when y, okay, when y equals 5 raised to the power x, okay, and y is 5, so here we have 5 equals 5 raised to the power x. So we can easily figure out x, okay. So we have 1 as the index. So when we cross out 5, we have x to be 1. So by the time we put 1 in this equation, okay, at the end of the day, it will equate 0. So let's try that. We have 5 raised to the power 2x, okay, which is 5 raised to the power. So for 1, let's substitute x to be 1, okay, minus 5 raised to the power 1, okay, which is this, minus 20. So for this, we have this to be 5 to the power 2. We multiply this, minus 5 minus 20, So this is 25, when you open up, minus 5 minus 20. So we have 25 minus 25, okay. So at the end of the day, we have 0. So that means the value of x is 1. Thank you very much.